What is the criteria for a protective order to be put in place? Attorney Kelly Peterson says, for a protective order to be put into place, the two parties have to be cohabitants, and the Cohabitant Abuse Act is Utah Code Annotated 78B-7-101. So, Section 102 defines a cohabitant as someone who is 16 years of age or older, who is or was a spouse, is related by blood or marriage, has had one or more children in common with the other party, is the biological parent of an unborn child, or resides or has resided in the same residence as the other party. That is the first element that needs to be met. The next element that needs to be met is there has to be a domestic violence, and domestic violence is also defined in Subsection 102, which refers to a different statute. It is any criminal offense involving violence or physical harm or threat of violence or physical harm, or any threat, conspiracy, or solicitation to commit a criminal offense involving violence or physical harm when committed by one cohabitant against another. It also means the commission or attempt to commit any of the following offenses against the other: assault, aggravated assault, homicide, harassment, electronic communications harassment, kidnapping, mayhem, sexual offenses, stalking, unlawful detention, and violation of a protective order, and even if it is a temporary protective order, is also grounds for the entry of a protective order. Certain offenses against property are also included, such as destruction of property or burglary, criminal trespass, robbery, possession of a deadly weapon with intent to assault, discharge of a firearm, disorderly conduct in certain cases, and child abuse. All of these things are considered to be domestic violence in addition to the general definition. If those two things are found, that someone is a cohabitant and domestic violence has occurred, then generally a protective order will be issued. For a free phone consultation, call Attorney Kelly Peterson in Provo, Utah at 801-616-3301 or visit his website at www.kmpetersonlaw.net.